In a shocking development, an Israeli diplomat in China was stabbed in what is suspected to be a terrorist attack. On Friday, the Israeli Foreign Ministry informed of the alleged attack. According to reports, the diplomat is now receiving medical treatment at a hospital and their condition is reported to be stable. The attack on the Israeli diplomat has further strained relations between Israel and China, with Israel's envoy to Beijing expressing disappointment over China's lack of condemnation of the recent Hamas attacks. The Israeli government has been vocal about its concerns regarding China's stance on the ongoing conflict. On Friday, Israel's foreign ministry said that it expressed deep disappointment in a call with the Chinese envoy to the Middle East over China's lack of condemnation of Hamas's weekend attack. The incident of Israeli diplomat being attacked in China comes amid escalating tensions between Israel and Hamas. On Friday, Hamas militants even called for a day of rage. In response, Israelis and Jews worldwide have been advised to be on high alert. More than 1,200 Israelis and 1,530 Palestinians have been killed in the week-long conflict between Israel and Hamas, with thousands injured and hundreds of thousands displaced. Meanwhile, there are strong indications that Israel is readying a massive ground offensive on the Gaza Strip following the militants' attacks. Israel's military on Friday called for all civilians of Gaza City, more than 1 million people, to relocate south within 24 hours. Hours before the evacuation order was issued, Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant said, "Now is the time for war." Israel has vowed to annihilate the Hamas terrorist group which led Saturday's attacks and said that Hamas tunnels, military compounds, senior operatives' residences and weapons storage warehouses were among 750 military targets struck overnight. A ground invasion of the narrow and densely populated Gaza Strip, which is a home to 2.3 million people, poses serious risk with Hamas threatening to kill Israeli hostages. Meanwhile, pro-Palestinian protests were expected around the world and the United States and regional leaders planned meetings amid fears that conflict could spread.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.